What up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna do the install the carbon fiber thing that I was telling you last video. I don't know what it's called exactly, but it goes on the door where like you do the locks and the windows up and down. But yeah, and also just today was Super Bowl, so I mean congratulations to the Chiefs. I don't go for them, I don't go for Niners, but I go for Broncos. But I mean, fuck it, they won it. I ain't mad. But yeah, I had a good time. I was with a homie senior in his house watching the Super Bowl. But yeah, let's go get to the install. Alright guys, so we're in the car. Here's the stuff, the carbon fiber, and it comes with all 4 doors and like a little alcohol thing, I guess, so you could clean it real good before you put them on. And then in the bottom is a double-sided tape. So yeah, this is the driver's side. Let me show you how it'll go on. Just put the flashlight with my phone. See how it just go on like that. And yeah, I think it'll go real good with the carbon fiber e-brake that I installed. You can go watch that video of how I installed it. I'll put it in the description down below, so if you want to watch that one. So yeah, I mean, it should go nice with that, and then with the e-brake. And then I don't know if I get more carbon fiber parts for the inside, because I'm a fan of just how it looks in general. I don't know if I want to switch the steering wheel too, like, because I've been seeing some that look pretty clean. Yeah. But yeah, let me show you guys. Well, I don't even know. I think I need to go get napkins first, so I could put the alcohol and clean the surface before I put it on. So yeah, let me go get that. Okay, so I got them. I think I'll just show you guys one, the driver's side, and then I'll just do fast motion or whatever you call it, fast speed or a quickie, whatever, on the other 3, since they're all gonna be the same process. It's just clean it real good and then unpeel the tape and just stick it on there, make sure it's good. And yeah, let's get started. And I guess they also send you those alcohol pads, but there's only one. So I mean, you could use it for one door. Like that. Hook a hole with the cap on it. And then we'll just put little drips. And then yeah, you just, oh, well, let me get my phone again. I need the flashlight because I'm doing this in the dark, guys. It's late. So then you have it wet. Yeah, all you're gonna do is just wipe it real good, especially where the parts, where the tape's gonna be at, because that's where it's gonna have to stick the most. And then you can put more, do it with a little bit more if you need it. And then of course the other side, or another napkin, you'll just dry it up, and then you'll apply the double-sided tape. But yeah, let me try to set you guys up somewhere, and then so I can do it, because I kind of need more time. I don't know if it's gonna be a good angle, but hopefully it is. Let's see. Alright, hopefully that's a good angle. I can't really tell. I can't see what you guys are seeing. If not, then I'll just cut it out of the video. Yeah, we're just gonna put a little bit more. Make sure it comes clean. And then you can see, I don't know if you guys can tell on the camera, but it's real dirty. And then just with the dry side, just dry it up. And yeah, I haven't really cleaned the car, so that's why it's dirty. And then here we have the double-sided tape. So all you gotta do is just peel them. If it's not difficult. But yeah, you just remove all the rest stuff. Alright, now that everything's removed, all the double-sided tape, we're just gonna make sure it goes uneven how we like it, and just press hard so I could get it's already kind of a perfect fit. Okay, well, guess that's the only other thing. You can't really take it off once that shit's stuck on there. So yeah, I mean, kind of fucked up right there in the middle. Not like 100% down, but yeah, the rest of it looks pretty good. And yeah, you'll just do the same thing on all of them. So let me just get started. Alright guys, so that was that. And yeah, it was kind of late already, so I had to go pick up my girl. Yeah, I'm sweaty because it's pretty hot inside the car. But yeah, I'm gonna go pick up my girl. That was the install. I'll show you guys one more time to see how it came out. And that thing looks pretty nice. I don't know if you can see that side. I'll show you guys the back. And same thing with this back. So yeah, now I have that carbon fiber and the e-brake carbon fiber. But yeah, it was a small little video, quick video. But yeah, now it's time to go pick up my girl. And well, that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe and stay tuned for the next one. Peace.